Parrot species. There are more than 300 species of parrot in the world. They are found mainly in warm regions and are more widespread in the southern hemisphere. Budgerigars is also called Melopsittacus undulatus. Budgerigars can grow up to 5 inches long, which is 15 cm. It lives in dry scrub and bushland, open woodland, and semi-desert. Budgerigars nest in holes and crevices in trees. Female lays and incubates 4 to 6 eggs, which hatch after about 17 days. Its diet includes fruit, seeds of grasses, and other plants. Wild budgerigars live in large, fast-moving flocks in the dry interior of the Australian continent. They travel long distances in search of food. Budgerigars eat seeds as well as fruit and, unlike most parrots, feed mainly on the ground. Wild birds are always green and yellow, but other colors have been produced in birds bred in captivity. Budgerigars have small beak and long pointed tail. Gala is also called Euphis rosei capillus. It grows up to 14 inches 36 cm long. It lives in scrub, woodland, and grassland in Australia. It makes its nest in tree holes or rock crevices. Female lays 3 to 6 eggs, which hatch after about 24 days. Male and female share incubation. Its diet includes seeds, fruit, leaves, and insects. The gala belongs to a group of parrots called cockatoos, which are found only in Southeast Asia and Australia. Unlike other parrots, cockatoos have a crest on their head, which they raise and lower as they move around. The gala is the most common cockatoo in Australia. It spends much of its life in flocks, feeding on plants and animals, and sometimes raiding farm crops. Crimson-winged parrot is called Parrot erythropterus in its scientific name. It grows up to 13 inches long. It lives in grassland, scrub, and woodland, including mangrove swamps. Its distribution is throughout Queensland and across the north in Australia. It nests in a hollow tree, usually near water. Female lays 3 to 6 eggs, which hatch after about 26 days. Its diet includes nectar, flowers, fruit, and insect grubs. Crimson-winged parrot is also known as the red-winged parrot. This bird is found over a large part of northern Australia. It sometimes feeds on the ground, but flies up into treetops at the first sign of danger. Like most parrots, it is almost always seen in pairs and small groups, and calls noisily when airborne. It has bright red feathers and long tail. Yellow-crowned Amazon has a scientific name called Amazona acrocephala. It grows up to 14 inches long. Its habitat is forest, open woodland, and grassland. Its distribution is Central America and tropical South America. It nests in tree holes. Female lays and incubates 2 eggs, which hatch after about 20 days. Its diet includes fruits, seeds, and flowers. Yellow-crowned Amazon is a widespread parrot that varies a lot in color. Some have a completely yellow head, while others just a splash of yellow near the beak. Yellow-crowned Amazons usually travel in small, noisy flocks and leave their roosts at first light to search for food. They feed high in treetops, scattering leftovers on the ground below. It has short legs with strong feet. Scarlet macaw is also called Ara macaw. It grows up to 2 feet 10 inches. It lives in tropical rainforests at low altitude. It is widely distributed in Central America and tropical South America. It builds its nest in tree holes. Female lays 2 or 3 eggs which hatch after 20 to 28 days. Its diet includes fruit and large nuts. Scarlet macaw is one of the world's largest parrots. Like other macaws, it feeds mainly on fruit and nuts high in the forest canopy and is rarely seen near the ground. Macaws are sociable birds, and they travel in pairs or small groups, often making loud screeching noises as they fly. Capture by man and deforestation have combined to make scarlet macaws much rarer than they once were.